Where we're at today, we're in Belvedere, California, and most of these houses over here, they're on the water. They're in their own little private community here. And what's going on, someone bought the house and they didn't like 8-foot ceiling heights. So they did all of this work, tearing all these walls out to slab floors, you could see. We jacked this building up just so they could have a 10-foot ceiling height. They didn't want 8 foot. So what the unusual part of this job is because we took it off the ceiling and not off the walls. And that gives them more room to bring in a concrete saw. They got to push behind a concrete saw. That's why we had to jack it from up above. This is a slab floor. It's a different type of lift because it's a slab floor. Normally we put ribbons on the walls and carry it from the walls. But on this particular job, they want to have room to work in here, so they need the extra space down below. So what we did is we put all the beams up on top, up on the ceiling joist here, all throughout this house. We have 15 cribs total. 12 unified jacks were used, and each crib has a number, up to 15. So what they're doing, they're writing down, come down 1 inch on number 2, number 12, you have to come up a half an inch, and that's what they're doing now. They're doing a survey. Once this survey is completed, then we will either come down certain portions and come up, and then the house will be, they'll probably get within 1/8 of an inch. The problem is when we went to lift the building up, underneath these posts they were hidden anchor bolts. And we couldn't see them, so we ended up cutting them. They were all along the sides. Every post had a hidden bolt underneath them. And so what we did is we took wedges and drove up the plate as we first started. Otherwise, it would have pulled all the walls down.